how to fix the issue where your mouse is double clicking when you try to single click. So if you're trying to select something on your computer and sometimes it double clicks accidentally, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. You could then click on the drop down arrow next to Mice and other pointing devices. Now you should be able to see your mouse from this list. Just go and right click on it, click on Uninstall Device and press Uninstall. Now if you have multiple mouses listed in this column, then you need to do the same for these as well. So just make sure to uninstall all of the devices underneath pointing devices. And once you've done that, you'll need to disconnect your mouse from your computer. You could then go and plug it back in and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, open up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices and then scroll down and click on Mouse. You can then scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Settings. Now, where it says double click speed, just go and reduce this down to around about a quarter. You can then click on Pointer Options and disable Enhanced Pointer Precision. Once you've done that, press Apply and OK. We're then going to open up the File Explorer on our computer, click on the three horizontal dots at the top of the page and click on Options. Where it says click items as follows, select single click to open an item. You can then press Apply and OK. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far and it's still not working, there's likely some dust or debris that's stuck between your mouse buttons. So what I'd recommend doing is just firmly pressing down each of the buttons for around about 10 seconds. You can also try pressing the buttons super fast just to basically try get them to become unstuck. Now you can also try using a cloth just to wipe down the sides in between the buttons. Like I said, if you have a stuck button, that will be the reason why it's double clicking. So hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.